Hi, this is Bernice, and for this video, I will be showing you how to do this move called the backwards X. For this move, we will be using our left hand to lead. So, let's start with this movement. You want to go back, throw it over your shoulder, and go back and throw it over your shoulder. And you want to do this movement a couple of times just to get used to it. And let's do it the other hand, back and over your shoulder, and again back and over your shoulder. So now we're going to practice with both hands. So you want to start off with your left hand going back, and your right hand slowly follows going back as well. Now you cross your left hand over your right shoulder, and then your right hand over your left shoulder. So from here, you want your left hand to go back first and then your right, because your left is leading. So let's try that one more time. You go back, back, over the shoulder, and over the shoulder. Now you go back with your left, and then back with your right. So let's practice that a couple of times. So back, then you slowly go back, over the shoulder, back, back. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like, me facing back. So you want to go back, then back, slowly, and then over the shoulder, over your shoulder. Your left hand leads, it goes first, and back, back, over the shoulder, back, back. So you want to do this movement a couple of times just until you get the hang of it, till you start memorizing it and your arms get used to it. So do go back in the video and practice as much as you want to till you have this movement more fluidly and you can start flowing with it. Here I am flowing a little bit more and going a little faster. So remember, you go back, back, shoulder, shoulder. Again from the back, 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 shoulder, shoulder, back, back, shoulder, shoulder, back, back, shoulder, shoulder, back, back. And from the side, back, back, shoulder, shoulder, back, back, shoulder, shoulder, back.